Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso! Another vlog for today. At ngayon naman mag-unbox tayo ng special gift coming from our friends who flew all the way from Dubai to buy this! Actually, ito yung pasalubong ng mga friends natin, si Javen at si Marvin. Yan, shout out! Thank you for remembering me. So, buksan natin kung ano ang laman ng box, ng paper bag na to. Okay. Actually, pinakita na din ito sa akin. Pero, syempre, samahan nyo pa rin akong tingnan ito. So, ito yung isa. Wow, wow, wow. Ayan. So, isa siyang Instafill Brown Pencil. Tignan natin kung magagamit ba natin to. Diba? I mean, you know, for everyday thing. And, ito yung exciting part. Diba? So, ayan. Tingnan. Oh, yan. It's so pretty, guys. Diba? So, itatry natin yan for today. Buksan natin. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Very, very classy. Very demure. So, titignan natin. So, meron tayong liquid matte lipstick. Ayan yan. I-try natin yan. At, meron ding, ano naman tong isa, yung regular lipstick. And, ito, lip gloss. So, tignan natin kung gaano ka-amazing itong mga to. Diba? At, nagdala tayo ng tissue. Shit. At syempre, hindi tayo nag-filter sa ating video para makita natin. Tatanggalin natin ang ating existing one. Grabe. Very nakaka-touch naman. Thank you. Ayan, tanggal na ba? Okay. So, anong unahin natin, guys? Dito muna tayo sa matte lipstick. Tingining, ting, 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 ting. Ayan na. Look at that goodness. Tambango niya, guys, ha? So, ayan. Kapag medyo, aurahan natin to, pag medyo feeling natin, pag girly tayo, diba? Pag girly na, wow, patwitams. Pag patwitams time, mga kaibigang oso. So, ayan. And then, hindi na natin siya, hihintaying matuyo, diba? Alam natin na, pak! Maganda siya, diba? Try na naman natin yung isa. Oh, ang ganda! Very, how do you say this? Very nice, oh. Very thick siya. Okay, so ito naman. Pink. Bango. Wow, look at that. Ay! Ang ganda. Pang-attend ng mga meeting. So, ayan, kapag gusto nating umattend ng mga meeting, pormahan. Yan. So, tanggalin na rin natin yan. Perfect. While we do this, by the way, guys, no, speaking of our lips, our mouth. Just a reminder, no? Coming from Proverbs chapter 15 verse 4, that a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. So, syempre, no? Although yan, maganda yan, may lipstick tayo and all that. Whatever we do with our lips, we color it with our favorite color, diba? Mas maganda pa rin na, apart from looking good because of the lipstick, we feel good also, and we make people feel good as well because of the words that would come out of our mouth, diba? Yan. So, eto naman ngayon ang lip gloss. Feeling ko ito, pack siya. Kung ba, punta ka lang sa mall, etc. You know, you just wanna be light. Ay! Hindi talaga tayo ano sa makeup, no? Pero I really love mga lipstick din. So, ayan. Natapos ng ating unboxing. Napakaganda ng laman na to. Thank you, Javen and Marvin, for remembering me. And syempre, always remember din, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. So that's from Proverbs chapter 15 verse 4. Hanggang sa susunod, kaibigang oso, samahan nyo ako ulit sa isa pang unboxing. Or kung ano pa man. God bless you all. Bye!